Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and today I wanted to tell you a story about conversion rate and your product descriptions. So both things are tied up, and I noticed many people have still problems with writing product descriptions that sell. So basically, writing product descriptions to convert your visitors into paying customers. So is it important? Yes, it absolutely is, because in your product description you not only should list the features of the product, but also tell a story behind, the story about how this product will benefit the customer. So we live in the reality where people have more than enough. So in order, they have their basic survival needs, obviously supplied, such as food, such as shelter, and so on. So obviously people buy because they want to replace something that they already have. So they don't buy based on the features the item has, but they buy based on how much they want the product. So if they want to buy a new sweater, they are not, they're not going to buy based on the fact that it's made from wool or acrylic, or that it's got some kind of nicely finished sleeves. They want to buy because they want to feel special, they want to feel fashionable, they want to treat themselves, they want something that will keep them obviously warm, if it's a winter sweater, and will be functional. So obviously something functional. So with your product descriptions you have to tell a story. So it's very important. I want to base this video around telling a story. Story is very, very strong selling strategy. Basically, when you tell a story, it triggers, or it activates part of your brain. I'm not sure exactly what's the technical name, but it's this kind of brain cortex that is responsible for decision making. So the same part of the brain, it is being activated when someone listens to the story and when they make the decision. So basically tying it all together is very, very strong selling strategy, because people, when they see a story, are very, very much more prone to buy something or to make a decision based on something. So the good example of it is a store selling garden equipment. So basically you can show a garden chair, simple as freestanding garden chair on a white background, and sell it as it is, or you can show it as in the set in the garden, in the settings of family playing around. For example, the grandma sitting in a chair and the grandchildren playing in the background, and obviously she's reading a paper, she's enjoying the sunshine, but obviously she's sitting in the shadow, so she's enjoying just the sunny day. She can spend a whole day, and basically it is so relatable, and people can clearly see the benefits of the product. And you can do it with your product description. You can say, buy this summer chair, buy this garden chair to enjoy leisurely days, feel comfortable and relax, you can recline. So basically you are not listing the features, but you are selling the benefits, and people are more likely to buy the product if they see themselves using this product, if they can imagine the feeling that this product will bring into their life, if they can imagine their next Sunday spent sitting in this chair. And basically it's so much stronger than just reading about the features of this chair, such as this is wooden, made from this and this material, measurements, and so on. This is so much weaker way of selling the product, through the product description. So make sure to tell a story, make sure to really get into your customer's shoes and think of, what will I benefit? How will I benefit by buying this product? Or how will this product change my life? Or how this product add value to my life? And then translate it into translates into words how you would like customers to sort of to see it in their eyes, imagine the feeling, and just write about it. Obviously, don't write like a thesis about it. Don't write a novel about for each product. But as long as you put like 2 or 3 paragraphs on each product page, and then below list the features as well for somebody who's just looking for the features like in a bullet point, so your product is user friendly from each point of view, and this will be much stronger way to sell the product. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any comments, please leave them underneath, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye bye.